Good afternoon, everybody. Our respected teachers, guests, parents, and my fellow classmates. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. My name is Muhammad Yunus, and I am a grade 3 student. And the name of my school is Genius Sanchin Academy. And I live in Jalan Pasar Baru, Kelang. Today, I would like to share with you my dream and ambition. What I want to be when I grow up. One day, I want to be a doctor, not just any doctor. I want to be a kind and caring doctor who help people feel better and maybe even discover a cure for new sickness person. This is my wish to help others and to create a safe place. In future, working together can create a better environment for all of us. Thank you so much. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.